Most cars are dead by 200,000 miles, but I just hit 500,000 on my daily driver. The difference isn't luck or genetics. It's these 13 specific habits that 90% of drivers completely ignore. If you want your car to outlast your mortgage, you need to start doing these today. Habit number 1, the 5-minute warm-up rule. This habit alone can double your engine's lifespan. Most people start their car and immediately drive off, but cold oil is like molasses and provides zero protection for the first few minutes. I let my engine idle for 30 seconds, then drive gently for the first 5 minutes, keeping RPMs under 2,000 until the temperature gauge starts moving. Cold engines wear 50 times faster than warm engines. This simple habit prevents premature bearing wear, cylinder scoring, and oil pump damage that kills most engines before 150,000 miles. Habit number 2, the oil change schedule. That actually works. Forget the sticker in your windshield. I change oil every 4,000 miles with conventional oil, or every 6,000 with full synthetic, regardless of what the manual says. Modern oil change intervals are designed to get you past warranty, not to maximize engine life. Oil analysis on my 500,000-mile engine shows wear metals are still within new engine specifications because fresh oil is the cheapest insurance you can buy. 15 extra oil changes over the car's life costs $600, but saves you a $15,000 engine replacement. Habit number 3, the transmission flush reality check. Here's what transmission shops don't want you to know. I change transmission fluid every 60,000 miles, but I never do flushes. Flushing can dislodge debris and clog narrow passages, destroying transmissions that were running perfectly. Instead, I drain and fill 3 times over 6 months, replacing about 70% of the fluid gradually. This gentle approach removes contaminants without shocking the system. My original transmission is still shifting smoothly at 500,000 miles, while most need rebuilding by 200,000. Comment insider if you feel like you just joined a secret club. Habit number 4, the coolant system. Maintenance secret. I replace coolant every 40,000 miles, not the 100,000-mile intervals manufacturers claim. Old coolant becomes acidic and eats aluminum components from the inside out. But here's the PRO move. I also replace the thermostat every time I change coolant. A $15 thermostat prevents overheating that can destroy a $5,000 engine. I've never had cooling system problems because I treat it as preventive maintenance, not emergency repair. Habit number 5, the air filter inspection ritual. Every month, I pop the hood and visually inspect my air filter. A dirty filter chokes your engine and destroys fuel economy, but most people wait until shops tell them it needs changing. I replace mine when it looks dirty, usually every 15 to 20,000 miles depending on driving conditions. A $30 filter prevents expensive mass airflow sensor damage and keeps the engine breathing properly. Clean air equals long engine life. Habit number 6, the brake fluid replacements schedule. This habit saved me from brake failure and expensive ABS repairs. I replace brake fluid every 3 years, no exceptions. Brake fluid absorbs moisture, which causes internal corrosion and lowers the boiling point, leading to brake fade and potentially catastrophic failure. Fresh brake fluid also protects expensive ABS modules and brake calipers from corrosion damage. $40 every 3 years versus $2,000 for ABS system replacement. Easy choice. Habit number 7, the tire rotation and pressure obsession. I rotate my tires every 6,000 miles and check pressure weekly. Proper tire maintenance isn't just about tire life. It protects suspension components, improves fuel economy, and prevents dangerous blowouts. Uneven tire wear indicates alignment or suspension problems that I address immediately. My tires consistently last 60 to 80,000 miles, and I've never had suspension component failures because everything stays properly aligned and balanced. Comment mind blown if you learned something your mechanic never told you. Habit number 8, the battery terminal. Maintenance routine. Every 3 months, I clean battery terminals with baking soda and water, then apply terminal protector spray. Corroded terminals create resistance that damages alternators, starters, and computer modules. I also test battery voltage monthly with a simple multimeter. 12.6 volts or higher when the engine is off means good battery health. This simple maintenance has made my batteries last 7 to 8 years instead of the typical 3 to 4. Habit number 9, the fuel system cleaning protocol. Every 10,000 miles, I add a bottle of quality fuel system cleaner to a full tank of premium gasoline. This removes carbon deposits from fuel injectors and intake valves, maintaining optimal fuel delivery and combustion efficiency. I also keep the fuel tank above 1/4 full to prevent moisture accumulation and fuel pump overheating. Clean fuel systems run efficiently and last longer, preventing expensive injector and fuel pump replacements. Habit number 10, the cabin air filter replacement strategy. I replace the cabin air filter every 15,000 miles, which most people completely ignore. A clogged cabin filter forces the HVAC system to work harder, causing blower motor and evaporator problems. Fresh filters also improve air quality and defrosting performance. This $15 part prevents $500 blower motor replacements and keeps me breathing clean air during my daily commute. Habit number 11, the Serpentine belt inspection method. Every oil change, I visually inspect the Serpentine belt for cracks, fraying, or glazing. I replace belts every 60,000 miles or at the first sign of wear, whichever comes first. A broken Serpentine belt can destroy your engine through overheating or loss of power steering while driving. A $40 belt replacement prevents thousands in engine damage and potential accidents from sudden power steering loss. Comment your car's mileage. Let's see whose engine is really healthy. Habit number 12, the parking and storage wisdom. I never park under trees due to sap damage, and I always use sunshades to protect interior components from UV damage. When possible, I park in shade or garages to reduce paint oxidation and interior deterioration. I also avoid parking over grass or wet surfaces that accelerate undercarriage corrosion. These simple choices have kept my 500,000-mile car looking and functioning like it's half that age. Habit number 13, the driving style that saves engines. This is the most important habit of all. I accelerate gradually, anticipate stops to avoid hard braking, and maintain steady highway speeds. Aggressive driving creates extreme temperature and pressure conditions that destroy engines, transmissions, and brakes. I also avoid short trips whenever possible because engines wear most during cold starts. Combining errands into longer trips and gentle driving habits can literally double your vehicle's lifespan. These 13 habits took my car from average reliability to bulletproof longevity. Most people spend more on coffee than I spend on preventive maintenance, yet they wonder why their cars die young. The secret isn't expensive parts or premium brands, it's consistent care and attention to detail. Which habit surprised you the most? Drop a comment and let me know which one you're going to start implementing today. If this video just saved you from expensive shop visits, smash that like button and subscribe for more insider automotive secrets.